Life on Earth comes in many forms, from microscopic bacteria to towering redwood trees. But no matter how big or small, every living thing is built from cells. Some organisms are unicellular. They survive with just one single cell. Others are multicellular, made up of millions or even trillions of cells that work together as a team. Unicellular organisms, like bacteria or certain types of algae, have to do everything within one cell. They take in nutrients, move around, reproduce, and respond to their environment, all in that tiny space. Even though they are small, they are incredibly efficient and can survive in extreme environments, from boiling hot springs to the human gut. Take the paramecium, for example. It's a unicellular organism that lives in fresh water. To get energy, it sweeps food particles, like bacteria, into its mouth groove using tiny hair-like structures called cilia. It moves by using those same cilia, propelling itself through water, almost like a rowboat with hundreds of oars. For survival, it has a vacuole that pumps out extra water, so it doesn't burst in its watery environment. In one cell, the paramecium does it all: feeding, moving, and staying alive. Multicellular organisms, like humans, fish, or oak trees, spread the work out. Their cells are specialized for different tasks. For example, muscle cells contract to make movement possible, while nerve cells send messages across the body. Working together, these specialized cells form tissues, which form organs, which form systems that keep the whole organism alive. It's teamwork on the largest possible scale. Let's look at a specific example of something multicellular, like a human being. Humans are made of trillions of cells, each specialized for a specific job. To get energy, humans rely on digestive system cells to break down food, and mitochondria in nearly every cell release energy from glucose. For movement, muscle cells contract, pulling on bones to let the whole body move. For survival, humans depend on whole systems. Immune cells protect against disease. Nerve cells sense danger, and skin cells form a barrier against the outside world. In a multicellular organism, the work is divided up, so no single cell has to do everything. To really see the difference between these two ways of living, it helps to compare them side by side. So here's your challenge. You're going to design a set of creature trading cards. One for a unicellular organism, and one for a multicellular organism. Each card should be illustrated with a picture of your organism and include key information about how it meets its basic needs, how it gets energy, how it moves, and how it survives in its environment. To make them more creative, you can give your organisms abilities or stats, just like real trading cards. To complete this project, you'll need to do the following. First, choose one unicellular organism and one multicellular organism to feature on your cards. Next, design and draw each organism, making sure to include enough detail so your reader can imagine what it looks like. Then, write the important information on each card: how it gets energy, moves, and survives. Finally, check that your cards are clear, colorful, and accurate. so they can be displayed as science trading cards. You may even want to trade with your classmates. By the end of this project, you'll see how unicellular and multicellular organisms are both successful in their own ways. One relies on the power of independence, doing everything within one cell, while the other thrives on teamwork, with cells working together as a system. Both strategies are proof of the incredible diversity of life on our planet.